Looking like a quarter lick. Run up on me, you get hit. And all my bitches with the shit.
Anyways, it's your girl Yerddddd, back at it again with another video. I know it's been a while since I posted, but I'm back.
Like good crap.
It's February, what's today? February 2nd, and it's clearly the new year. So I'm back, a new and better me. But today I'm back with a video. Y'all gonna know what it's called by the goddamn title, because I forgot what it's called.
It's Mukbang.
Mukbang. It's something, you know, when you eat and I talk to y'all. Basically that's what I'm doing. I'm eating some fried chicken and waffles that I cooked, you know, by yours truly.
Yeah, I'm already eating.
And we just gonna talk about some random stuff, you know, because I be having a lot to talk about.
So it's like a rant.
Yeah, basically. First of all, let's talk about yesterday when I went to goddamn school.
Oh yeah, you ain't never tell me I went to sleep.
I went to school. I got up on time. First of all, I'm always late to my 11 o'clock class. I don't know why.
Failure.
But I'm always late. And I got up. My alarm clock went off at 9:30. I got up at 9:30, but I laid my ass in the bed. Jesus grabbed me by my collar and said, "Get up and go to class." Let me tell y'all, I laid back in the bed. Jesus, I apologize, but I laid back down. Then I looked at the time. It was already like 10 o'clock. I missed my goddamn bus, so I ain't had no choice but to call the Uber to school.
Failure.
My Uber was a good like $11. So by the time I got to class, it was probably like 11:03. I get to the classroom, my professor not there. So I'm like, damn, this bitch must be running late too. Where the hell she at? Come to find out, her ass wasn't showing up. She sent us a goddamn email at 11:06 when class started 11 o'clock to say her car had trouble. Bitch, you ain't know your car had trouble an hour ago? You did? I was so mad. I went up there for nothing. Then I had the next class at 5:30. But guess what? I ain't go. I was tired.
She wasn't tired. She was a failure.
I be stressed out for nothing. I just be stressed. Y'all, this chicken waffle is really good.
Clearly you smacking real hard.
I don't even want to talk to you. I just want to eat. Y'all, and I don't use no fork.
Clearly, I'm like, where's the fork? She like,
I'm very
we use our hands.
That's how my yesterday was. Today I ain't do nothing. I cleaned up. Unfortunately.
She didn't do a good job.
My life.
What's wrong with that?
Let me share my life.
Okay. It was all offbeat, but it's okay.
But what else? What else we talk about? Let me tell you about this girl that lost her coat. Let me tell you.
You that girl know. What's wrong with that? I shouldn't pick this up.
You guys all pick it up. Ooh. She should have picked up her coat. Let me tell y'all. So, I got class at 4 and I got out at 5:20. But then I got class at 5:30 all the way to 8:20. So basically me and the girl got the same class back to back. And I hope she is not subscribed to me because she won't know I'm talking about her. But I'm so sorry. But
I hope she subscribes so she can hear this bullshit.
It's okay.
It's funny.
So we get to our 5:30 class and the class is like literally next door. So we in class for a whole hour. This boy present his little presentation, everything. And then she turned around, looking all dumbfounded. She turned around, y'all seen my coat? No. Bitch, how the fuck I'm gonna see your coat? I know my coat right here. How I'm gonna watch your coat? That ain't my coat. Well, I'm watching it. So she like, I lost my coat. Oh my god. I don't want to laugh before I tell the story, but it's funny.
God don't like ugly. That's why you're choking.
But God loves me.
Finish your damn story.
But she was like, y'all seen my coat? I'm like, no, we didn't see your coat. So time going past a good 10 minutes. I look over, she's sniffling, wiping her little tears. I'm like, damn. Whoever bought her this fucking coat, it must have been her grandmother, like her mother. Something like, this coat must have got some sentimental values that she climbed for a goddamn coat.
Maybe it was just cold outside. She was crying because she was going to have hypothermia.
She wasn't worried about that. She was big.
Oh, she got meat then.
Thank you. Me, I will fucking cry. I will have a heart attack.
I'm gonna catch an Uber.
I will steal me a coat. So
Don't follow in her footsteps, please and thank you.
So I'm like, dang, she really crying. I don't know where her coat at. I looked at my classmate. I'm like, you seen her coat? She like, no, I ain't seen her coat. I'm like, shit, me either. I don't pay attention to nobody but longer. So I'm like, then me trying to be a good Samaritan. I don't know how you say it. A good Samaritan.
The fuck is Samaritan? I never heard that word.
I've not heard somewhere. I thought it was a good Samaritan. You know, like a good person, what's called good person, good Samaritan. I don't know.
Something to start with the S, but
It's
I don't know
something.
if it's a murder.
So I was trying to be a good person, and I was like, "What's your coat look like?" I know what her coat look like, but I want her to move it like. So she like, it's this green trench coat. I'm like, oh, the green trench one. Bro, I said, oh, like I seen her coat, like I seen somebody took it. She like, yeah, that coat. I'm like, damn, nah, I don't even know.
Yeah, you dead wrong.
I'm like, dang, I don't even know. Like, I don't know. I said, did you come in with your coat? She took some, yeah, I think.
You think?
You probably left in the other class. This bitch was dumb. So then, this other boy present him. And she still crying. Crying. And I'm just like,
You should have gave her a Kleenex.
crying. I'm like, dang. Like, I feel so bad for it's cold as hell outside.
You ain't feel bad. You was laughing at that girl.
I
Stop
felt
lying.
bad until after she told me. When I get to the part, y'all gonna know why I kept laughing. So, I'm like, she ate her coat.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I'm like, oh my god. So I'm like, dang. So the boy got finished presenting, and we always trying to look for a coat. Yeah, I'm like, damn, if it's like in this class, I don't know what the fuck is that. Like, you must think I'm in with a goddamn coat. I'm getting a little hot. I'm like, you must think I'm in with a goddamn coat.
Clearly, your shoulder.
So, I was like, did you have anything in your coat, like anything important, like your house keys, your credit card, your money? I lied to you not. This is exactly what she said. No, the only thing I had in my coat was a king size Snickers. I know you fucking lying. I wanted to slap her. She crying for a king size Snickers. I don't buy her king size Snickers. I know you fucking lying. So she was like,
She was real upset over Snickers.
yes,
Them big girl struggles.
crying. I'm like, damn. That's fucking crazy, like. That is crazy. And then, I'm like, damn, she was crying for a king size Snickers. So then, our professor gave us a break because our class was 3 hours long, so she gave us a break. So, I'm helping her look for a coat. The coat was in the old classroom, y'all. The classroom we just came out of before this class. And she looked at her little coat. Y'all, her Snickers was gone.
Somebody took that girl's Snickers.
I said, no. Now she about to keep crying. So I said, next time I got class, I'm going to borrow her Snickers. It's a king size Snickers. I'm quite sure CVS across the street or John across the street, y'all fucking still want Snickers. It's Valentine's Day. It's about to be Valentine's Day.
I know, I want
That's not fair.
I cried over some chips before.
Chips?
Mm-hmm.
I know you fucking lying. I ain't gonna lie. I cried over some McDonald's French fries. My sister ate my fries.
That sound like you.
It was a large. A large. It was a large, y'all. Of course I'm gonna cry. It was my money. That Snickers that she had.
I need it now.
That Snickers she had, I'm quite sure her secret admirer gave her that goddamn Snickers. She ain't buy that. Cause if you cry for it, she ain't buy that.
Shit, if I'd have bought it, I'd have cried for it. It's my money I wasted. Now I don't got it. That mean I done bought somebody else's Snickers.
It was probably $1.
It was a king size. And Walgreens is $2.19.
We ain't got Walgreens. We got CVS and John and bookstore. And our bookstore is expensive.
No, I'm talking about at work.
She should have walked in the goddamn bookstore and said it was give her a discount and told them that somebody stole her coat. I know.
I can't say that on live camera.
They probably picked it up.
It better than I had.
Yo, I be having some stories to tell. I might as well just make a goddamn story time on my YouTube because
Oh yeah.
I feel like I be having endless stories,
You
like
should do.
endless.
We What's your least busiest days of the week?
Who?
What's your least busiest days?
Tuesday.
I used to do story time on Tuesday.
Story time on Tuesday?
Mm-hmm.
What y'all think? Story time Tuesday?
But wait, what shows come on Tuesday?
Nothing.
Alright,
So all the shows come on Monday.
here, back to back to back, so you be flipping.
I'd be like, God damn. I be recording because I ain't got time to watch them all back to back. But
Well, this was a good chicken.
if y'all follow my goddamn social media, y'all
She
would,
always
my
tell a
Snapchat,
story.
y'all would know. I tell a story on my Snapchat almost every day. Like,
Almost.
almost. I ain't telling one yesterday. I ain't had no story yesterday. Almost every
Why
day.
you ain't had no story yesterday, Ned?
Ain't nothing happened. I was a failure. I ain't go to class.
Exactly. Okay. You try to make sure you remember.
Ain't no shit in my game.
Is it ever?
I can tell y'all I ain't go to class. What else? What else I can tell y'all? I got endless stories. Hey, just tell me one of your stories.
I ain't got no stories. I'm a failure. I'm a college dropout. That's my story.
And that's the end of her story.
Yeah, pretty much. I'm just gonna go strip my life away. I'm playing JK.
I know you fucking lying.
JK.
You know in that song, that Stephon Dawn song? With French Montana?
The who do what?
Stephon Dawn.
Who the fuck is that?
And she got that song Hurting Me. It's called Hurting Me with French Montana in it. And she be like, I heard you got a new girlfriend. You know that song?
No.
Oh my god, y'all. Where she be at?
Sleep. If I ain't sleep, I'm at work.
That's sad.
If I ain't at work.
I didn't even tell y'all who she was.
Oh, real lie, you didn't.
This is
Introduce me, ho.
this is my high school friend, Asia. We known each other since what, 10th grade?
Miss Miles' class.
10th grade.
That was 9th grade.
I wasn't there like that. I came
That was
10th.
10th grade.
Mm-hmm.
And
10th grade.
her invisible pop was fucked up.
Don't do that, because I was the flyest thing popping.
But your jeans jacket! Your jeans vest!
And had my name on the back. Don't say that. Don't say that. If I can find some pictures, I'm going to add some pictures with my jean jacket. Girl, I was killing the
You wear that
game.
jean jacket every day.
10th grade, yeah. 11th grade. What
We
I had
grew up a
11th
little
grade?
bit. 11th grade was duffel bags.
I had Adidas one, like 3 different ones. Yeah. There's one picture right there. What grade was that?
That was
If I don't got braces, it's 12th grade.
That was senior year. Because remember, that's when we got the button-down shirts and we could wear black pants.
Boom, I had my red Timberlands. I was killing the game.
And she cut me off the picture that I took. If it wasn't for me, she wouldn't have the damn picture.
Hey, it is what it is.
Knock that plate on the floor.
I'm still eating.
I bet you would. I think you get to it first.
Hang here. But y'all, high school was the best years. Like, and it's so crazy because I really still talk to all my friends that I was cool with in high school. Like,
No, she don't. She lying. She don't even remember half the people that went to school. She be like, oh, who's that?
that wasn't my friend.
But
If
when we
I-
was in school, she used to talk to him.
If I don't remember them, that's not my friend. But all my friends, like, y'all probably like high school friends. Yeah, 3rd year college. It was good. Thank you. 3rd year college. I'm ready to drop out.
She's not dropping out. She don't have that option. She's about to graduate. Therefore,
College is stressful. Not even stressful, stressful. Because I be ready to pull my braids out. Nobody be
here
ready.
she go.
I be ready to pull my braids out every
She
goddamn
was
day.
already bald head in high school. Now she trying to go back bald head.
I'm ready to pull these goddamn braids out. I need fucking around.
I need to brush my teeth.
These fucking braces ass people.
Bitch, like you ain't had braces for like your whole life.
That's what you hit people with. They got braces. When I heard you with some shit like, oh, my teeth hurt. These braces ass people. Y'all like braces. Braces ass people. Y'all
Okay, that was intelligent. Intelligente.
braces ass people.
You eat like a snail.
That's good. That's how you say bony like this. Bony, Tony, macaroni.
She's not bony, Tony, nothing. Watch when she finish eating. Her stomach gonna be bloated as fuck.
Bony, Tony, macaroni.
Macaroni get bigger when you put it in the water.
Bony Tony.
Okay.
Let me think.
You got
Bony
some sisters?
Tony, My Little Pony.
Some My Little Pony.
Y'all, I crack myself up. This is me 24/7.
Oh my God, it's the third to the 5, not to the 2 round.
That's the end of this video. Let me know if y'all want me to do any story times, because I got stories. I got hella stories.
Yeah.
I got stories. But anyways, leave this video. What I was about to say? Give this video a thumbs up.
Leave this video. Don't leave.
Give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you press the subscribe button. Leave comments. Follow all of my social media down below. Let me know what y'all want to see next. Interact with me this time, y'all, because first of all, I'm not here to talk to myself. I'm here to talk to y'all. I hit my stories. But just make sure I give this video a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button. Leave a comment. Follow my social media. Blah, blah, blah. Turn the notification bells on. Ding, 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 ding.
What if people don't ding?
Anyways, that's it of this video. Peace.
I'm a poppin' ass bitch, let me remind ya.